Hi everybody, I'm Eduardo from Sanear, Brasil. I want to present for all of you the best rainwater treatment equipment in the world, the Chove Chuva. It is patented and sold by Sanear Brasil since 2012. There are thousands of products installed in houses, churches, schools, gas stations and industries in Brazil and all over the world. This is a mechanical simple maintenance system that provides a high quantity of treated water. You're gonna get impressed with this equipment that's made in Brazil, in the state of Minas Gerais. It works like this. The water that comes from the roof goes by this point here and it's accelerated in its part. Then it comes to a filter to eliminate the thick material. About 30% of the water pulls this waste out and it's discarded. The 70% remaining water passes through a special storm in order to keep the pH balanced. Then it goes through a chlorinator. It's chlorinated and finally goes down through a 100 micron washable and reusable filter that gives the last polish. The chlorinated and treated water goes to the tank. Now it's ready for consumption. The equipment is packed in a 70 per 20 per 51 centimeters box. A small box that can be sent by mail because the equipment is dismantled before being packed. It goes with a chlorine tablet, a spare bag filter, and the device to analyze chlorine and pH so that you can keep all the indices in the ideal value. It's really easy to install and it covers an area of 100 square meters. It's an exciting product. In the future, all humanity will need equipment similar to this in their home. Let's do our best while we still have time.